How do I reset my Trane thermostat?
Hello there. Have you been experiencing issues with your Trane thermostat and need to reset it? Don't worry, in this video we'll be taking you through the process of resetting your Trane thermostat. It's straightforward, and you'll have your thermostat back up and running in no time. The important thing to remember is to follow the steps carefully and ensure the system is off before starting.
What do you need to reset your Trane thermostat?
Before you begin the process, make sure your Trane system is turned off. This is to prevent any accidental changes to settings or potential damage. Also, it's always a good idea to have your Trane thermostat user manual handy for reference, as different models may have slightly different reset procedures.
How to reset a Trane thermostat?
Here comes the actual process. Remember, the steps might vary slightly based on the model of your thermostat. 1. Locate the reset button on your Trane thermostat. This is usually a small, recessed button that you'll need a paperclip or similar small tool to reach. 2. Press and hold the reset button for around 5 seconds. You will likely see the screen flash or go blank, which indicates that the thermostat is resetting. 3. Wait for the thermostat to restart. This usually takes a minute or so. Once the thermostat is back on, it will likely be at its factory default settings. 4. Reprogram your thermostat settings. This includes the date, time, and preferred heating and cooling schedules. Refer to your user manual for specific instructions on how to do this. Remember, if the thermostat does not restart or continues to give you trouble after the reset, it might be time to call in a professional for assistance. And there you have it. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the process of resetting your Trane thermostat. Remember, if you're still experiencing issues after resetting, it's always best to consult with a professional. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.